Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nashley. Today we're going to be talking about a wall mural that I had already painted in my daughter's room. When she was 1, she was really into animals. Now that she's about to be 3, she really is so girly. She loves flowers and rainbows and tutus and you name it, and I wanted to kind of incorporate that into her room. So instead of painting over the leaves that I had painted in her room, I decided to add to it. So I was going to add flowers. Here we go.
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We've been going at it for a minute or two. Darling, you got the sweetest heart, and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting. They all dried up. They remind me of what once was. I'm talking us, me and you and I. It's been a ride, I'm tired. Like Nick Cannon and Mariah. Been riding out, fueling fires again. What's this, like the 6th time since we first met? When you call, I can't fight it. Something in the way you move, keep on drawing me in. Those lips I know so well, they excite me. Said I know them like the back of my hand. I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We've been going at it for a minute or two. Darling, you got the sweetest heart, and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting. I'm afraid it's too late. It's not that I don't trust you, I don't trust myself. I said patience is a must, boo. Things will turn out well. Lost count of the years since I've been here by your side, in and out through all these tears. We can do it again, it ain't no problem. Like a switch since we stay more than friends. I know you know my photo still hangs on your door, and I'll show you that there really ain't no forgetting anymore. I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We've been going at it for a minute or two. Sunny June, I heard the birds were singing, but I tossed and turned, a feeling I can't explain. No girl in town told me why she have to look my way. Wanted to throw some paper, get drunk with my friends, do some damage to my brain. But then she came along, one smiling, I felt why do I gotta be so lucky? Why'd you have to be so pure? Question all my good intentions, but with you, oh, I'm so sure. Tasted the fruit and smelled the flowers, just better not, and girl, I'm yours. Cause in the garden, that's your skin, I'll be dreaming, that's for sure. Tell me why you've been on my mind. Won't you stay, just one more night. When you're there, the despair is nowhere to be found, and that's all my life. And I'm well aware that I can't keep you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It definitely was fun making this for my daughter. I know that when she walked in there, she was so excited. Every time she walks in there, she points out the flowers, she loves them. And I'm looking forward to be able to continue to make over her space so that it's more fitting to her personality as she grows a little bit older. Everything that I can list will be listed down below. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
My life, and I'm well aware that I can't keep you, so I'll dream about you.